Hey guys, I'm Yeo Sen. So I'm a student from Digital Media Design, batch 2005. And this is actually my final project. So before I start with introduce my final project, I would like to tell you the insight and inspiration for me to do my project. So first, I will start with nowadays we all have the freedom of speech to give judgment on social media. And something that inspired me is that back then I saw some comments on scandal posts, and you can see all the users giving their comments based on what they saw. But then they'll never get to know what's the fact behind those posts. And this is the problem that leads to the consequences to the individual. And this is where the time inspired me. So I like to put those viewers to my installation to feel the immersive experience. I want them to feel the weight of judgment as well. So this is my project called Through the Eyes of Others. So it's an experiential film installation, lasts for 3 minutes kind of film. And then the core experience of my project is there's surround screens. So what to do with the surround screens is giving the immersive experience for the audience. So the content that project to all these surround screens are basically the eyes, the mouth, and all that kind of gesture to give the expression to let the audience to feel the weight of judgment, the kind of immersive experience. And then the second core experience of my project is the surround sound. So it's not like a normal kind of stereo sound from left to right, but then surround sound is 5.1 speakers and just exactly give you the feelings like you go to a fit cinema, and that's how you feel. And the surround sound is also installed inside my installation, so you get to feel that kind of same feeling as you go to cinema. So I think the objective for my project was quite straightforward. It's to foster a more fact-driven society. And I think that's all from me. Thank you.